Hey friends, in today's video, I'll be showing you the top 7 amazing home kitchen gadgets. So let's not waste any time and jump right into the video. Chopping veggies taking forever? Say hello to the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper, your ultimate kitchen time saver. With razor-sharp interchangeable blades, it slices, dices, chops, and juliennes your favorite fruits and veggies in seconds. Just press down and watch perfectly even cuts drop neatly into the built-in container. No mess, no stress, whether it's onions, peppers, cucumbers, or tomatoes. The Full-Star Chopper makes meal prep faster, cleaner, and way more fun. Designed for safety, built for speed, and loved by home cooks everywhere, it's the smart way to cook healthy every day. Transform your kitchen routine with the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. Chop like a pro, cook with joy, and save precious time with every slice. Tired of uneven slices and teary eyes while chopping onions? Meet your new kitchen hero, the Onion Holder Slicer. With its stainless steel prongs and easy grip handle, this gadget keeps your fingers safe and your cuts perfectly uniform every time. Just insert it into your onion, glide your knife through the guide slots, and enjoy precision slicing without the mess or the stress. Perfect for onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and more. It's the little tool that makes a big difference in your kitchen. Tired of messy, time-consuming cherry prep? Meet the Cherry Pitter Pro, your quick, clean, and fun way to pit multiple cherries in seconds. Just load, press, and watch as the pits drop neatly below while your juicy, perfect cherries stay ready for snacking, baking, or blending. No more sticky hands or broken fruit, just effortless, pit-free perfection every time. Love cherries but hate the hassle of removing pits? Say hello to the Cherry Pitter, your new favorite kitchen gadget. With one simple press, this clever tool pops the pit out cleanly, keeping your cherries perfectly whole and ready to enjoy. No mess, no wasted fruit, and no more sticky fingers. Whether you're baking, snacking, or making cocktails, this easy-to-use, spring-loaded design saves time and effort. Fun, fast, and satisfying. The Cherry Pitter makes every cherry moment sweet and simple. Tired of guessing your ingredients and ruining recipes? Say hello to the Spring Chef Measuring Spoon Set, the secret weapon for flawless cooking and baking. Made from premium stainless steel, it's rust-proof, dishwasher-safe, and built to last. Every scoop gives you precision, consistency, and confidence, because great taste starts with perfect measurement. Upgrade your kitchen game today with Spring Chef. Precision you can taste. Tired of spending endless minutes peeling potatoes, apples, or veggies by hand? Meet the Automatic Electric Peeler, your new kitchen superhero. With just one touch, it effortlessly peels fruits and vegetables in seconds, giving you perfectly smooth results every time. No mess, no strain, just fast. Hands-free peeling that makes cooking easier and more fun. Save time, simplify meal prep, and bring a touch of magic to your kitchen with the Automatic Electric Peeler. Peel smarter, not harder. Think a lighter can't be cool? Think again. This mini lantern lighter lights up with fire and color. Sleek, stylish, and glowing with attitude. Ignite your world with something truly unique. It's not just a lighter, it's a vibe.